At this point, we've talked about features a few different times, so you probably have a good idea of the conceptual idea behind it. Now let's go ahead and actually implement the features module by creating a feature around articles. So our first step is to download and install the feature module. So I'm going to go ahead and do a search for features module, Drupal, and then I'm going to click on the topmost result. See, we're on drupal.org/project/features. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where the releases are, and I'm going to go ahead and download this beta 4 version. Now, if you're following along, Features is probably at a different version at this point, so you can either install the latest version or download this version by looking at all of the releases by clicking on this link and downloading the beta 4 version. I'm going to go ahead and download the tarball and automatically open it with my archive utility. Once the tarball is expanded, I'm going to go ahead and copy the folder called Features, and I'm going to navigate over to my development site. I'm going to go ahead and expand the Sites, All, Modules folder. And here, inside of Modules, I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder called Contrib, if it doesn't exist already. And I'm going to paste the Features module into it. Now I'm going to jump to my development site, and I'm going to go to the Modules page. And we're going to go ahead and install Features. I'm going to do a browser search here for Features. Okay, here we are. I'm going to scroll down. It's just one module, and I'm going to click Save Configuration. So in order to get to the Features configuration page, I'm going to go ahead and go to Structure, click on Features, and it says no features were found. That's because we haven't created one yet. We can do so by clicking this Create Feature tab.